At the edge of the town, in the midst of the industrial district, there is a tiny lake and a small clay wall which has been hosting sand martins and bee-eaters for a long time. A few years ago, I was lucky enough to observe the busy season of the martins. Never again since then. But in May, once again, I saw the wall swarming with life. Due to extreme fortune, I saw the mating of the bee-eaters and even managed to photograph the whole ritualistic action. When I went again to the clay wall with Gyula Molnár, ornithologist and nature photographer, first we came across a quietly walking stork. After a while, we caught sight of the first bee-eater, and soon after many of them in the air, on the electric wires, and on the treetops. A rabbit was curiously watching the busy birds. And finally, a bee-eater landed on a branch just a few steps away. We sensed that some action was unfolding. Soon we saw a female approaching the male on the branch. A coquetting started. The peak of the courting was when the male attracted his mate with captured insects as gifts. It was very moving. And all of a sudden, the erotic ecstasy erupted. All this lasted about 40 seconds, during which time I, using the burst mode of my G9 II, shot about 150 pics. I'm showing the best ones, while all of them have been merged into a slow motion video, which I also include here. it was time to go home. But before that, as a bonus, we could still take a few portraits of bee-eaters and some stray sand martins. What a photo shoot it was, and the Lumix G9 II with the Leica 100-400 worked very well.